Welcome back to Learning with the Difference. Today's news headlines for school morning assembly. Counting of votes in 5 states today. Chhattisgarh revives old pension scheme. Madhya Pradesh hikes Dearness allowance. 2 railway links to connect India, Nepal soon. Foreign Secretary. Stockbrokers 1984 crore property attached to money laundering case. Upper age limit for medical exam NEET removed. Jammu and Kashmir village chief shot dead near Srinagar, second and first week. And now some international news. IMF approves $1.4 billion emergency support for Ukraine. War crime. Ukraine president slams Russia's attack on children hospital. UNICEF says over 1 million children fled Ukraine since Russian invasion. Russia-Ukraine foreign ministers to meet in Turkey for peace talks today. Yoon Suk-yeol elected South Korea's new president. Putin German Chancellor discussed diplomatic efforts to settle Ukraine conflict. And now some sports news. Sreesanth announced retirement from Indian domestic cricket. Cricket Australia Open to PCB chief Ramiz Raja's 4-nation cricket tournament proposal. Fahim Ashraf test positive for COVID-19, ruled out of second test against Australia. Mauricio Pochettino criticizes referee after PSG collapse against Real Madrid. Manchester City's cruise into Champions League quarters cause for celebration, says Pep Guardiola. And these are today's news headlines. Thank you to all of you. Have a nice day.